welcome to ERO. ERO is a gaming channel where I record Minecraft, Steam games, and all sorts of games. My goal is to get a lot of subscribers, and with you guys' help, you can like my vids, share on Google Plus, and comment down below. You can also suggest games you want me to play, such as Dragon's Nest or like Steam type games. So, as my first vid, we're gonna play some Skywars, and I'll see you in the video. And I'm back, guys. We are on Minecraft Central, and we're gonna play some Skywars. Sorry. Let's do this some parkour. Ooh, that fell off. Ugh. Okay, so I am a pretty decent player. I play on this server before many times, so fell off again. So I might be able to get some kills and do good. Okay, this is a small little map. Got some bad armor and a stone sword. Usually I get iron armor, but this time I have no luck. Well, we have a bow, that's good. Okay, water bucket. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Get my furnace. There's some ores around us, so let's make a pickaxe and get those ores. I want to find some iron to make a iron sword and pickaxe. Oh, been shot at. Please make a friend, don't waste your arrows on me. Okay, oop, I need a crafting table, good. Okay, I see that guy. So many people have bows. You have to be careful. Okay, let's make a stone pickaxe. Like so. Okay, now I could go mining. Ah! Ooh, I blocked that shot. Good. Okay, I'm gonna put up a barricade. On my TNT. Dirt. Okay. Is he lagging? Yep, I got him. He had no pros. Good. Okay. Iron pickaxe. Better armor. Gotta hurry up. Okay, he had an iron pickaxe, which is very good. That's an ender pearl. So if I get attacked, it's just an ender pearl out of here. I'm gonna use my this too in case I get bombed or attacked. There's 5 people remaining, and bleh. I can't talk now. Okay. I found diamonds. Okay. How many diamonds are here? Okay, 2 diamonds. That's really good. Where's the void? Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna put the water bucket down. This is gonna be risky. And I'm going to mine the diamonds. Hopefully they will not fall into the void. Come on. I got the diamonds. Good. Uh-oh. What did I just do? Okay, I made it back up. Anyone here? I have a stone sword. Let's block this off. Get our water bucket back. Okay, where's the crafting table? I have a stick. Good. Here's our diamond sword. Looks so shiny. Ooh, I have golden apples. That could be handy. I think I'm prepared for battle. No one has died yet. See, one guy has died yet. One guy has died. Now, where are the other people? Okay. Oh! Someone just blew up the spawn. There we go. Hopefully they make it. Oh my lord. This guy has 4 diamonds. He doesn't see me. Come on, dude. Let's go with PvP. Yes, he died. Okay. This guy's trying to build over, I think. There's 2 people remaining, so I could get jumped anytime. Okay, I'm gonna try to team with this guy, but he might betray me. Ooh, some loot. I want the diamond pass. I'm watching you. I'm gonna betray this guy first. Okay. I'm not sure where the other guy is. I could shoot him off my phone. Alright, wait 3 seconds, he's under pro. I'm sorry I'm not talking so intense. LOL! TNT? Seriously? Hello? Wait. GG. Okay, I just won the game. Wow, he fell off. I guess he had a pro glitch and lagged after I punched him off. Woo! Okay, that was a fun episode. I should play one more Skywars game because I was pretty short. That was like 5 minutes. Okay, let's join another game. Let's go downstairs. And nope, that's full. Are they all full? Oh, I joined this one. Okay, let's do some more parkour while we wait. So that was a good match. Like when I entered to the middle, I saw the diamond armor guy and I got so scared. I was like, oh crap, what am I gonna do? But that guy was not looking behind and I just killed him. Or did I punch him? Yeah, I punched him off. Okay, the games begin. Diamond sword. Wow. Okay then, I'll take it. I'm not complaining. It's a diamond sword. Okay. Let's put on our armor. Shut up. Oh, sorry. Okay. Let's see. No chests here. Let's go down. Ooh, I like this little tunnel area. Is this our little mine? Ooh, yes it is. And I see diamonds. Maybe I can make some diamond leggings. Nah, I'll just go full force. Just in case I get attacked, I'm going to make a pickaxe. So I could mine myself or block myself in. Okay, let's get some sticks, like so. Put it in a crafting table. And make a stone pickaxe. I'm cold. Okay. Getting steel, blocks, and some ice. Now, okay, I see you down there. Don't come at me, I'm diamond sword people. Let's see how many iron ores are down there. Maybe I can make that better armor. I don't know. Yeah, okay, sure, I'll try. The best I can make is probably a helmet. That would be. What is 1, 2, 3 diamonds. Okay, so I don't really need diamonds. I have no use for them except a pickaxe, which I don't need. But if I get enough iron, I can make a helmet. I need one more iron. Come on, it's my lucky day. One more iron, please. Oh, look. Okay, good. I can make an iron helmet now. Let's go back upstairs. I don't see anyone. Here's our compass. No one's around us. Okay, let's smelt this iron. Okay, let's wait out. Ooh, there's people at the middle already. Okay, looking for name tags. There's a guy down there. I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to build up to this guy. Maybe I could betray him. Just fake team. Let me put a log bucket down just in case someone shoots me off the bow. I'm gonna make this level out so I won't fall off. Ooh, I just fell down. Okay, how's our iron cooking? 3 ingots. Okay, what's it gonna do? Now let's start going over again. Ooh, I feel scary. Hopefully this guy does not notice me. That would be really bad if he does. I'm gonna go behind him. He has a diamond sword too. He doesn't see me. Kinda hurt. He got hurt. Oh, just a little bit. Where'd he go? I don't like this. Where did he go? Okay. Is he shifting? Oh. Ooh! Bad idea. Bad idea. He's right there. Shh. Risky. Okay. Come on, build up. Whoa! Whoa! Who's shooting me? Okay then, I'm just gonna hide in his mine. Is that guy hacking? I'm not sure. They look like hacks. Oh, look at him here. Well, he probably was on here already. That's not good. Not good, not good. Oh, you said. Oh, I couldn't said that at a certain time. Oh, that was intense. I wasn't even talking. What's this guy doing down here? There he is. Okay, I'm gonna watch this fight. What's this guy doing? Let's fight him. Okay, he's going through my loot. And what's he gonna do now? Is there an escape path up here? No, there's not. Oop, I'm glitching the wall. Okay. Oh, he put lava down. I'm trapped. Help! Okay, let's just watch this guy. Ooh, it's right here. Okay, what's going on? Why am I glitching the block? Help me! Oh, I'm just trapped. Oh, hello. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Like the video, comment down below, and subscribe. This will be the first of many videos, and hit the button for this zombie dude. Oh, he just disappeared. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.